Howdy do! Hi everybody, it's me, Jara Bee. Welcome to my channel. This is going to be a quick video on a Kipling haul. So I have 4 items that I want to share with you, so let's get started. The first thing I'm going to open with you guys is I got another wallet in the black Money Love wallet. Can y'all see that here? And so let me just unwrap it real quick. And this is what it looked like. This is my second one of these. I have a red one and now I have the black Money Love wallet. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4 card slots here. And then you have your ID slot right here. And let me see, this is where you could put your bills at there. And then on the outside zipper part here, we have 1, 2, 3 slots here for cards, change, whatever. So that's that. Then the second item I want to show you guys is this. This is the, it's like a wristlet. You'll see the name there. So let's look. I have not looked at these items yet, you guys. Okay. So here is what this looks like. Here's a wristlet. Here's the tag again. Good look at it. Trying to get my camera to focus. Okay. There that is there. Okay. Okay, so this print is called Orbital Joy print. The Lowy wristlet. And it has, you guys, I'm still trying to get used to recording this way with the camera lens zoomed in. It has a little monkey that I will probably take that off. I will take that off. And then it has a detachable wristlet strap. There's your zipper pull here. Let's open it up. Let's see. Nice, nice, nice. Here's the interior. Made out of this polyester lining here. And then it has six card slots, a zipper pocket here, and then that is this little wristlet here. Okay, so there's that. And then next to the last item is this. Y'all see that? This is the Rabbit Black Zadok. It's a pouch, and it looks like this. So this is the collaboration with Hello Kitty. So there's Hello Kitty there wearing some rabbit ears. So here's that. Give you guys a 360. Beautiful gold zipper. Love that. Here's the back. It has a Kipling logo here. Back. Here's the bottom. Now when I got this in the mail, I was thinking to myself, this is larger than what I had anticipated. But so many times these pouches are larger than what I kind of would want them to be. To me, this would be the bomb if it was like half this size. Why are they making these cosmetic pouches so large? So let's open her up and see. Okay, this is what the inside of it looks like. Look at that lining with the Hello Kitty on there. Okay, let me take out the stuffing so you guys can, so there it is right there. There is a, I haven't even looked at this, guys, yet. So this is my first time seeing it along with you all. So there's the Kipling patch tag here. There is a inside zipper pocket. And then here it is. And then the inside of the zipper is also lined. It's probably kind of hard for you guys to see, but it's also lined with the Hello Kitty heads there. And then there's some, let me see, there's two mesh pockets on the inside. One here and one here. Okay. Love it. And I am not a big Hello Kitty fan. I like, it's okay, but when I saw this pouch, I had to have it. So yeah, these 3 items I did purchase from the Kipling USA website, and it took about a week and a half for me to receive the items. So that is that. And then the last item I purchased from Macy's, and it is this handbag here. Okay, so this handbag right here, let me show you the tag. It looks like this. Okay, so here is the tag for this handbag here. Look at her. She's so different to me from all of the other Kipling handbags that I have. It has the little metal monkey here. It has really nice silver chunky hardware. Here's the back. There's a back pocket here. Here are the handles made out of that nylon. I call it that seat belt fabric that I love. Here's the front again. There's a lovely pocket here in the front, zipper pocket. Okay, and let me show you guys the inside. All right, it kind of has like this domed shape at the top. Go. It is stuffed. I stuffed it with all kind of stuff, so let me take this stuffing out, you guys. All right, this is a mess. I just have some a roll of paper towels, and I bent it like this because the shape of this bag, if y'all can see, it's kind of like a dome shape. And then I have like just mess in here to stuff it. A scarf, an apron, because it came kind of flat and misshapen, so I wanted to shape it up a little bit. And so let me get everything out of here so you guys can see. Here is the shoulder strap that comes with it. It's like this beautiful burgundy color. Okay, that. Alright, so here's the inside of it. So cute. A gray lining, and it has a slip pocket here, and then there's, you probably can't see it, here is a pencil slot for a ink pen or a pencil, whatever. There it is. I will be doing a what's in my bag on this, so stay tuned, you guys, for that. There's a back zipper pocket here. Okay, and here she is. Now, I want to say that this fabric is a little shinier than what other Kipling bags are made of. This is a beautiful burgundy color, and I really like it. I like the size and the shape. It's gorgeous, you guys. It's like some type of coating is on this vinyl. It's like a crinkly vinyl, shiny, almost patent leather, but not quite. Did I show you guys the bottom? Here's the bottom of it. So I'm really looking forward to carrying this bag, you guys. Very, very much looking forward to it. Okay. Okay, you guys, one more quick overview. Real fast. Here's the Hello Kitty pouch. Here's the Money Love wallet in black. Here is a wristlet purse. And then here is the dome-shaped satchel handbag. Okay, you guys, I just wanted to say thanks to all of my new subscribers. I highly appreciate your subscription. And I want to say thank you so much for all of my ride or die subscribers that been with me from the beginning. Oh, y'all, it feels good. So thanks for joining me, and until next time, everybody, y'all stay safe out there, okay? Bye.